welcome to another edition of Eric's Bright Fuse. I am Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about this antenna. This is a digital antenna. I bought this because we're streaming only. We've been streaming only for a couple of years, and some of the streaming services we have, you can get the network channels through them, but not every network channel, and it can be kind of tedious to do it through streaming. I wanted to just be able to get network TV and just go through channels just for network TV. And so I saw this on Amazon. I think it was on sale when I got it, and it had good reviews. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a risk, I'm gonna try. Of course, if it doesn't work, I could always return it. So I did, and it works great. I'm like super excited. I love it when I have an idea and a plan and it actually works out, and this did. Also, my thought was, you know, what if maybe the internet goes down, which does happen from time to time, or especially in an emergency situation. I'd like to be able to get, you know, the broadcast channel through a tuner. And so anyway, so that's the whole reasoning why I got this. It has a really, really long cord. That's one of the things I liked about it, and it is indoor, outdoor. I mean, they say you can use it indoors. I didn't try it indoors. I tried it outdoors because the way our TV is, it's right by our fireplace. We don't use our fireplace for a fireplace. So I mounted this to the top of our fireplace, as you're going to see, and then I ran the cord down through the chimney and then to the TV. And this does have a powered amplifier that hooks up to USB. So most TVs nowadays have a USB port that supports power. I have it plugged into a USB port on my TV for power, but you can use a separate power supply if you need to. And then it has the typical little cable coaxial connection, which most modern TVs have a tuner built into them if you connect to that. If your TV doesn't, then you'd have to have like a tuner set-top box to use, but my TV does, and most modern TVs do have that. So I'll plug that into there, and it's great. It says it will get signals like 1,200 miles away. I don't know if that's true or not, but I do know that I ended up getting like, I don't know, like over 100 channels. Now, most of the channels I'm not going to watch because, again, I have all the streaming services, and that's what I use to watch TV. I'm not really interested in watching TV with commercials, but mainly I got it for network TV, and I get all my local network channels: CBS, NBC, Fox, ABC, a couple of other ones that are not any of those four major ones that I get, but all the local channels for local news and stuff, they come through crystal clear and like HD, maybe 4K, I can't tell for sure, but definitely crystal clear quality with no issues at all, just by mounting this up on the chimney on top of my roof and running that long cord down. So if you're looking for a digital TV antenna in order to boost signals and be able to get broadcast digital channels over the air, then I would highly recommend this digital TV antenna. Yeah, and that's going to be it for this review. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about the product, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And don't forget, there's a link down in the description below to the product on Amazon if you want to check it out over there. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.